Please excuse how long this video may turn out to be. I'm gonna cut it as short as possible. But yet again, my last video I said this is gonna be a short video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a hair tutorial, but reference my last video for this hair tutorial if you're interested. But anyways, this video is going to be about my daily routine, my face routine that I have going on every day. And my day and night routine is exactly the same, other than in the mornings I add sunscreen, and then throughout the week I'll do like masks or scrubs. So for tonight, but just a little background on my skin, I have like an oily T-zone. It's a combination skin. So oily T-zone and then a dry U-zone. My skin is not the perfect skin. I'm like obviously like working on that, but I just wanted to share a little background on like the Shea Moisture Black African soap, which worked wonders on my face, you know, but it wasn't like perfect. It wasn't taking my skin to like that level, you know. So I'm like, oh, I thought like, okay, like maybe I can find something else that will help my skin better. So then I tried a bunch of other things and that just took my skin downhill. So then I returned back to the Black Shea Moisture line, which in just a few days I was able to see a difference. So that's what I'm currently at right now, and I still haven't found like my perfect, you know, routine. But so far what's been helping me is the Shea Moisture routine they have, like the system they have, which is like the soap, and it's like the scrub, the mask, and they have the moisturizer, which is a lotion, and then additionally the toner. So that's my skin routine. So I usually start off with obviously cleansing. Sorry. I usually start off with cleansing my face, cleaning my skin with warm water, you know, and then I just go right in with the soap. A lot of people just do water and soap, which I used to just do, but then like I started doing more research and I didn't know that it was important to have like toner to level out your pH levels, you know, which means like, for example, I mean, this is what I think it means. This is what I've gotten according to my research. So you know how I said I have like an oily T-zone? So the toner is what helps my skin balance the oils in my face. So it being oily here and drier here, it'll help the pH levels, oil levels, and then balance each other out. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me and educate me. You know, I'm you know, beginner at this, and I'm like experimenting on my skin. Please excuse how long this video may turn out to be. I'm gonna cut it as short as possible. But yet again, my last video I said this is gonna be a short video because it's a quick tutorial, and it ended up being like 7 minutes. Anyways, I think it's pretty good. So after I cleanse my face with my super duper duper cool amazing soap, I like to use the second step from their line, their system, and it's the clarifying facial wash and scrub. But this is the one that you can use, I think, 2-3 times. I don't know, guys, educate me, you know, this is according to my research. 2 times, at least 2 to 3 times a week. And I really like it because it's like a thickish consistency, and it has very tiny beads that dissolve. And I just kind of like rub it in because this is my most affected area. My U-zone is actually my most affected area, which is very ironic because you would think that the oily part, the oily zone, the T-zone right here, would be the most affected area, but in reality it's not. So I definitely have something going on there, you know. After I dry my face, I then get this little cotton pad, and this is a toner, the Clarifying Problem Skin Toner, and this is really good actually. What I really love about this line is that it has tamarind and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good for you, and what I like about this line is it's for blemish prone skin, which seems to be like my issue going on right now. So I just spray like once, 2-3 times. 1, 2, 3 times, and I just kind of like gently pat away. After I'm done, then I do their moisturizer, which is called, they also sell these products like individually, separately, and this one's called the Balancing Moisturizer, also for blemish prone skin. One, like we say in the preschool, dot, not a lot. You guys want to know a fun fact? I've actually never gone to get like a facial. Like I've never gone to go get a professional facial done. I probably should go there. But guys, I really do see a difference since I started using the black Shea again. The black soap line, the system. Oh, my face was worse, guys. And that is all, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions of any of the products I use, feel free to comment down below, message me, whatever it may be. If you guys have any suggestions or of any products that you guys want me to try out or you guys think would help my skin, leave it in the comment down below or message me, help a sister out. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and then I'll see you guys next time.